Welcome back to Tronify Tech, where we ride into the world of gear that transforms every journey into something smarter, safer, and a whole lot more fun. Today, we're counting down 20 must-have motorcycle gadgets, the kind of upgrades that make you wonder how you ever rode without them. If you love powerful tech, road-ready tools, and gear built for real riders, hit that subscribe button and let's fire up the first trio. BMW Motorrad ConnectedRide Smart Glasses. If you've ever wished your helmet could show live data without forcing you to look down, these glasses make that dream real. The ConnectedRide Smart Glasses project your speed, navigation arrows, and even gear position directly in your field of view, like a heads-up display for your eyes. The moment you roll out, they auto-adjust brightness, work with gloves, and pair with BMW's app for speed-accurate navigation. The battery lasts a full day of riding, and they come with both tinted and clear lenses, so you're covered whether you're carving up a sunny highway or riding into foggy mountain roads. This is futuristic riding without waiting for the future to actually arrive. GoPro Hero 12 Black. If you're the kind of rider who relives the best moments of the road, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is your storytelling machine. With its improved stabilization and HDR 5.3K video, your ride footage looks smoother than your favorite motovlog. Even on rough roads, its hyper-smooth tech locks the horizon in place. The Hero 12 also gives you longer run times and cleaner low-light shots. And when you mount it on your helmet or bars, every lean, twist, and throttle pull turns into cinematic gold. Bluetooth audio support even lets you record voiceovers straight from your helmet mic. Adventure rides, night cruises, track days capture it all in breathtaking detail. ASMAX F1 Bluetooth Intercom, riding with friends, need GPS directions without scrambling to check your phone? The ASMAX F1 turns your helmet into a smart communication hub. You get crystal clear audio up to long distances, whine noise reduction, and instant pairing with your phone for music, calls, and navigation prompts. It's waterproof, glove-friendly, and lasts all day on a single charge. Whether you're coordinating lane changes, chatting with your passenger, or just vibing to music on a long solo ride, this compact intercom keeps you connected without distractions. Hit Air MLV Airbag Vest. If there's one piece of safety gear every rider should own, it's this, the Hit Air MLV Airbag Vest. The moment you're separated from your bike in a crash, the vest inflates instantly. We're talking fractions of a second, creating a protective air cushion around your chest, spine, ribs, and neck. It's lightweight, breathable, and designed to wear over your jacket without restricting movement. The CO2 cartridge system resets easily, and the high-visibility panels make you stand out during night rides. WSDCAM Motorcycle Alarm. If you park your bike outside or leave it anywhere even slightly sketchy, this gadget pays for itself in peace of mind. The WSDCAM Motion Alarm sticks discreetly onto your bike and triggers a 113 decibel siren if anyone tampers with it. Even slight vibrations set it off. You can switch between sensitivity levels from "don't touch my bike" to "a strong breeze bumped it." It's waterproof, easy to hide, and armed with a simple remote. Budget-friendly, tiny, brutally loud, exactly what you want in a motorcycle anti-theft alarm. Joy Room Motorcycle Phone Mount. This mount feels like it was made for riders who've had one too many phone flying down the highway moments. The Joy Room phone mount uses a military-grade locking clamp that grips your device so firmly it won't budge even on dirt trails. It rotates 360 degrees, fits a wide range of handlebars, and absorbs bumps so your phone isn't shaking like crazy. Plus, the quick release switch lets you grab your phone with one hand, super handy at gas stops. Whether you're following GPS or recording your ride, this mount keeps your device right where it belongs. Motorbike Shift Pad. Riding hard means your boots take a beating, and your bike's gear lever isn't much gentler. The Motorbike Shift Pad protects both your boots and the lever itself. Made from durable, abrasion-resistant material, it attaches easily to your gear shift and absorbs impact from every upshift and downshift. No more scuffed boots or bent levers, even on aggressive rides or long commutes. It's a small addition that keeps your bike looking sharp and your gear in pristine condition. Yulio Alarm Disc Lock. When you park your bike anywhere, security matters. The Yulio Disc Lock is compact, tough, and comes with a built-in alarm that blares the second someone tampers with it. Its reinforced steel construction resists cutting and sawing, while the alarm's vibration sensor ensures even the slightest touch is noticed. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry in a backpack or under the seat, giving your bike maximum protection with minimal hassle. The Riker Roll-Up Tool Bag. Every rider needs tools, but lugging a full toolbox around is a headache. Enter the Riker Roll-Up Tool Bag, a compact, organized solution for on-the-road repairs. With multiple compartments for wrenches, screwdrivers, and smaller essentials, it keeps everything neatly in place. Roll it up, strap it to your bike, and you're ready for emergencies without sacrificing space or adding bulk. Quick access and highly durable, it's the kind of toolkit that riders actually reach for. Nilight Motorcycle RGB LED Light. Want your bike to stand out when the sun goes down? The Nilight RGB LED Light turns your ride into a rolling light show. These waterproof, multicolor LED strips can be controlled via remote or app, letting you sync lights to music, flash patterns, or just glow in your favorite color. Perfect for night rides, gatherings, or showing off custom setups. Rugged and easy to install, it's the ultimate way to ride bright and bold. Kemimoto Motorcycle Cup Holder. hydration on the road just got easier. The Kemimoto Cup Holder attaches to your handlebars or frame, holding drinks securely no matter how twisty the road gets. Adjustable to fit bottles, cans, or travel mugs, it's perfect for long trips or commutes. Built from sturdy, weather-resistant materials, it keeps your beverages safe and within reach, a surprisingly small gadget that makes every ride more comfortable. Badass Motorcycle Kickstand Pad, parking on soft ground or asphalt that heats up. Don't risk your bike tipping over. The badass Moto Kickstand Pad distributes weight evenly and keeps your bike stable. Made from durable materials that resist heat and wear, it prevents your stand from sinking or scratching surfaces. Compact, lightweight, and reusable, it's a must-have accessory for riders who park anywhere from beaches to city streets. Fobo Bike 2, TPMS. Tire pressure matters for safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. And the Fobo Bike 2, TPMS keeps you constantly informed. These compact sensors attach to each tire and send real-time pressure and temperature updates directly to your phone. Alerts notify you immediately if something drops or overheats, so you never get caught off guard. Long-lasting battery and waterproof design make it perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. Grand Pit Stop Motorcycle Wheel Cleaning Stand. Cleaning your bike just got a professional upgrade. The Grand Pit Stop Wheel Cleaning Stand elevates your motorcycle, allowing you to spin the wheels freely while washing, polishing, or performing maintenance. It's easy to set up, sturdy enough to handle heavy bikes, and keeps your wheels off the ground so you can reach every nook and cranny. A small investment that saves time and effort while keeping your bike spotless. Atlas Throttle Lock. Cruising on highways can be exhausting for your hand. The Atlas Throttle Lock acts like cruise control for your throttle, reducing fatigue during long rides. Easy to install and adjustable to your grip, it maintains a consistent throttle setting without slipping. Whether you're on a long stretch of road or just want a smoother ride, it's a simple tool that makes extended journeys far more comfortable. Motorcycle Backpack. Riding without storage can be a hassle. Waterproof and designed with multiple compartments, it keeps your gear organized and protected from the elements. Padded straps make it comfortable for long rides, and reflective accents improve visibility at night. Perfect for commuters, touring riders, or anyone who wants to carry essentials safely and securely on the road. Motul Motorcycle Chain Clean Lube Kit. Smooth chain means a smooth ride. The Motul Chain Clean Lube Kit is a complete solution for maintenance. It comes with cleaner, lubricant, and brushes that make removing grime and applying fresh lube effortless. Regular use extends chain life, reduces wear, and improves overall performance. Compact and easy to store on your bike or in a garage, it's a small investment that prevents costly repairs. ExtractMe Motorcycle Phone Charger. Keep your devices powered while riding with the ExtractMe Motorcycle Phone Charger. Waterproof and rugged, this charger mounts directly to your handlebars and outputs stable voltage even on bumpy roads. Perfect for GPS, music, or keeping your phone ready for calls. Its compact design doesn't interfere with controls, and it's compatible with a wide range of smartphones. O-Place Motorcycle Helmet Dryer. Nothing ruins a ride like a damp, smelly helmet. The O-Place Helmet Dryer keeps your helmet fresh and dry. It gently blows warm air inside your helmet, removing moisture and preventing odor buildup. Compact and easy to use, it fits most helmet sizes and ensures your gear is comfortable every time you ride. Ideal for daily commuters and adventure riders alike. Fanttik X9 Pro Portable Tire Inflator. The Fanttik X9 Pro Portable Tire Inflator is a compact powerhouse that inflates your motorcycle tires quickly and safely. It supports multiple pressure settings, comes with a rechargeable battery, and even doubles as a small power bank. Lightweight enough to carry in your bag or mount on the bike, it ensures you're never stuck on the roadside waiting for help. And that's a wrap on 20 must-have motorcycle gadgets that every rider should consider. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on the next gear that could take your ride to the next level. Thanks for riding along with Tronify Tech, and we'll see you on the road in the next video.